Okay, people, I am recording my screen using this little program called Simple Screen Recorder, and I am temporarily using my backup PC that I just turned into a Linux PC on December 5th, 2017. That's right. You're probably wondering why I'm using Linux. You see, my Windows 10 PC that I had to put upstairs is randomly restarting for no reason. You know, when it works great. And I'm suspecting a bad memory stick. So, in the meantime, until I have time to troubleshoot that, I'm using this here backup PC that is now a Linux PC. So I'm using this for a while. However long, I don't know. I hope it's just a memory stick that's wrong with that other PC. I hope it's that, because that'd be an easy fix. If it's like a PSU or some other shit, I'm sorry. I'm more of a software person, not a hardware person. Okay, so let's begin. Let's talk about this Linux that I'm using. And I might even have a question for you people. But anyway, let's go to System and find what I need to look at. I know it's here. Oh, System Information right here. System Information right here. Okay, so let's go on to Operating System. Kernel. The kernel is 4.40103 generic 8664 whatever, and the summary operating system is Linux-lite 3.6, and I got 8 gigabytes of memory installed, and that's all the motherboard will recognize. And this dual-core processor. It's an AMD, and I'm using a Lenovo PC. So yeah, this is some of the stuff. No printers found because it's not turned on. Processor, and then you got memory, and then you got, I don't know, battery. Sensors. I don't know, it's a few things. I'm still learning about this thing. I'm still learning about this Linux-lite 3.6, so it is what it is. I learned quite a few things. One, I'm recording with, I'm using the Cheese as my webcam, but I'm using my Simple Screen Recorder for the voice and stuff and audio, and record my screen, so they're not going at the same time. See here. Well, it got recently used, and then you got all, and you got my computer, and you got settings, and you got accessories. I don't have much installed as far as accessories. I did install quite a few things, but you know. Thunderbird Mail, that's not set up yet, and this I don't use, and I don't use this either. I guess I installed it to get something else to work. It's kind of weird. I use Firefox and Chromium. They both work fine so far. Multimedia, OBS. Okay, people, OBS. What are your settings for OBS to record yourself talking while you're recording your screen using OBS? What are your settings? What do you got to do? I played around with a little bit, and I'm not satisfied. So please help me out with this OBS thing. That's about it. So there's graphics. You know, I don't have much installed. Office, PDF viewer, I got Foxit Reader. I really don't know much about that one. I don't know what I think about that one yet. I have to download a pretend, say, tax return. You do your tax returns and see if I can fill it out using Foxit Reader. If not, what PDF do you use so you can fill out things like when you do your tax return? So hopefully get a refund. If Foxit Reader doesn't do it, what will? What PDF thing can I use next or try? These work pretty. I haven't really tried these things out. It's Libre, I believe. So let's check it out. Where is it? Office, there we go. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah, it's Libre 5. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Typical. And that's about it, people. This really is a test recording. I don't know how it's going to look like on YouTube yet. And I suspect I got to find a file compressor to compress everything, to make a smaller file size, I guess. But that's about it. Then you got, this is what's going on using simple screen recording again. Maybe you can help me out with some settings to make a file smaller and still have good quality. And that's it. Save recording.